Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a Korean steak and rice bowl. Today I'm going to show you a simple recipe. It is great for meal prep. It is Korean steak in a rice bowl. We can jump right in. First thing we're going to do is marinate and prep our steak. I'm gonna be using my favorite cut of steak, which is a ribeye. You can also use a New York strip, you could use filet mignon, whatever kind of steak cut you want. You can also get steak that is already pre-cut. You want it to be like thinly sliced, but I like to thinly slice it myself so that I can get exactly the kind of cut of steak that I like. So I'm gonna take my steak, and you wanna get a sharp knife. You're just gonna cut it thinly like this. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. I'm gonna season the steak. I've put it into a bowl and I'm gonna add all of my seasonings to the bowl. It's gonna marinate while we're prepping the other part of this recipe. So I'm gonna add a heavy pinch of salt, some black pepper, about a tablespoon of minced garlic, sprinkle of cumin. Now gonna add the sauce that nobody knows how to pronounce, so Worcestershire. Let me know in the comments how to pronounce this. We're gonna add that to our steak as well. Soy sauce. And yellow mustard. Let's go ahead and mix this all together. Make sure that all of our steak is seasoned. And we're gonna cover this with some plastic wrap and let it marinate while we're working on the second part of this recipe. For this recipe, since I wanna make it low carb and calorie friendly, I'm gonna be using cauliflower rice. And I'm just gonna be using half of the bag. So I'm gonna add some frozen cauliflower to a bowl. Cover it with a paper towel, and you're gonna throw this into the microwave for about 5 minutes. While the cauliflower rice is cooking in the microwave, I'm gonna work on the other vegetables. This is for the fried rice that we're going to be making. So this is frozen peas and carrots. I'm heating a non-stick pan to medium heat, and I wanna cook the peas and carrots in the pan. Once your pan is hot, add a little bit of avocado oil or a mild cooking oil. And once the oil is hot, I'm gonna add my peas and carrots. We're letting these heat up and cook for the same amount of time that the cauliflower is in the microwave. As it is cooking, I wanna add some green onion. So it's been about 2 minutes. And I'm gonna add some whites and the green part of the green onion. I'm also going to add that same minced garlic and cook it with the peas and carrots. Also gonna add soy sauce. And to prevent splashing, I'm using my splash screen. Again, I've linked it down in the Amazon links in the description below if you wanna purchase it. I've taken the cauliflower out of the microwave and I'm gonna put it directly into my pan. Let's mix all of this together. I'm gonna add a little bit of extra soy sauce. And we're gonna let the cauliflower cook in with the other vegetables for about a minute. Our fried rice is now ready. I'm gonna set it aside while we work on cooking the steak. I'm heating my nonstick pan to medium heat, and I'm gonna add some of the avocado oil. And once the pan gets hot, we're going to add the steak. I'm gonna drop in my steak. And since the steak is thinly sliced, it's not gonna take that long to cook. So I'm just making sure that all of the pieces are spread out and touching the pan. And I like to spread it out like this and then leave it untouched for about a minute. After a minute, you're gonna give this a stir. And the way you're gonna get this steak really tender is you're gonna wait and cook it in all of that moisture. You wanna wait till everything that's moist in the pan evaporates. The meat is gonna get super, super tender. And if you're interested in purchasing these aprons and more, make sure to check out the merch store. It is linked down in the description below. And that's it, a simple Korean steak bowl. This is such a great go-to if you're looking for a unique meal prep that you can take to work, that you can have at home. And I can't wait to dig into this one. I'm gonna get a little bit of my fried rice, some of that steak, and I love to top it with some fresh scallion or green onion and some sesame seeds. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and cheers. You get that delicious sweetness and savoriness from the two sauces, the soy sauce and the sauce that nobody can pronounce. And I absolutely love how tender the steak gets when it cooks in all of that marinade that we made. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.